Did you know that dogs can't smile? They can't even fake a smile. If your dog is smiling at you, it's called a submissive grin. It means they feel awkward or uncomfortable. A group of male dogs is called a dog. That's one less thing you need to remember. When you're talking to your dog, they can only understand about 160 words. That's because they don't have the cognitive ability to understand more than that. In England, the Speaker of the House is not allowed to speak. In fact, he's not even allowed to make any noise at all. This is why the Speaker of the House always wears a mask. It's a tradition that goes back centuries. Your dog's tongue is full of bacteria. That's why your dog's breath stinks. But it's also why they get bad breath. Dogs are colorblind. They can only see in black and white. This is why a dog toy doesn't look like a dog toy. It looks like a weird black